Complaints from neighbors, St. Pete City Council is looking to address short-term rental property owners who aren't following city code. Thanks for joining us for 10 Tampa Bay this weekend. I'm Miranda Parnell. Now, this has been a hot topic for leaders across the Bay Area, and 10 Tampa Bay's Angelicia Bruton has more on what's next before city leaders can implement changes.
Plans to look into ways to find people who violate city ordinances and set up a short-term rental registry are on hold. City leaders say they're waiting to hear from the state capitol.
Since early last year, I've been having conversations.
St. Petersburg requires short-term rentals last at least 30 days. Shorter terms are allowed only 3 times a year in residential areas.
And I've had various meetings. Then we've been getting emails from a resident regarding her actions in trying to enforce our ordinances.
Marley Price says she's filed more than 100 complaints and almost 90 faced violations. She would like to see the city hire someone to solely look into this.
Almost 90 houses, so that's like almost 200 people now have like somewhere to stay where otherwise it would have sat empty most of the year as like a vacation rental.
In February, St. Petersburg had 3,200 Airbnb and VRBO listings inside of our city limits. 3,200. That is a lot.
City Council approved a referral to address this.
For a discussion on exploring the city's ability to issue super fines and establishing a short-term rental registry.
It passed unanimously, but it's on hold.
If the governor ends up vetoing this bill, how is that going to impact us?
Senate Bill 280 would create statewide regulations and put funding in place for 9 employees to enforce this, but many are divided on the issue.
Why do we want to tell the local government what to do in the cities or municipalities?
This is one step forward to creating a uniform registry where people like all of us can make sure that everybody is doing things above board, paying their taxes, getting these health and life and safety inspections so that the public at large can remain safe. With that, I close.
Angelicia Bruton, 10 Tampa Bay.
The city says they launched a comprehensive tracking system in 2016 to help with enforcing code ordinances. They say they've had more than 1,000 complaints and issued more than 750 violation notices since then.